Welcome to American English Education.
Congress. What is Congress? What does Congress do? What does legislate mean? What is a government branch? How many branches does the U.S. government have? What does legislative branch do? How many U.S. senators are there in Congress? How many U.S. representatives are there in Congress? How do representatives and senators become part of Congress? How long is a representative's term? How long is a senator's term? What does a U.S. representative do? What does a U.S. senator do? How is the number of U.S. representatives determined? In this lesson, we're going to find answers to these and many other questions. But first, let's start with the text. Congress is the legislative branch. It makes laws. Congress has two parts: the U.S. Senate and the U.S. House of Representatives. Each state has 2 U.S. senators and at least 1 U.S. representative. The more residents a state has, the more U.S. representatives the state can have in Congress. There are 100 U.S. senators and 435 U.S. representatives. Vocabulary: branch of government, capital of the United States, Capitol building, legislative branch, Congress, created by the Constitution of the United States, bicameral legislature, creates laws, Constitution, an amendment, 27 total amendments, Bill of Rights, separation of powers, checks and balances, House of Representatives, Senate, 435 representatives, determined by state's population, 100 senators. A representative's term is 2 years. A senator's term is 6 years. Representatives represent a congressional district. Senators represent all the people of a state. Speaker of the House is the elected leader of the House of Representatives. Direct election, to elect. Political party, 2 major political parties, Democrats and Republicans. Independence Day, July 4th, 1776. Declare independence. Practice questions. What is another name for the United States legislative branch? Congress. Where is Congress located? Washington, D.C. What document must Congress follow? The Constitution of the United States. What is an amendment? A change or addition to the Constitution. How many amendments are there in the Constitution? 27. What are the first 10 amendments in the Constitution called? Bill of Rights. What is separation of powers? What is checks and balances? Which 2 chambers make up the legislative branch? Who is the Speaker of the House? What is the total number of voting members in Congress? Who do representatives represent? Who do senators represent? Who are the two senators from New York State as of today? What are the two major political parties in the U.S.?
Bye.